Topping today's community calendar, it's Food Truck Tuesday. I love food trucks. Head over to the Greater Des Moines Botanical Garden parking lot to support local food trucks. The address is 909 Robert D. Ray Drive. It started at 11 o'clock, but it goes until 1, so I'll still have time. Well, actually, no, I won't. I got to do the noon show. You have time to get over there by 1. If you can't make it today, this is a reoccurring every Tuesday event until May 25th. It might seem strange to already think about back-to-school physicals before our kids are even out of school this year, but it's never too early to get those appointments booked. UnityPoint pediatric nurse practitioner Courtney Houston joins us this morning with more. And Courtney, so excited to talk to you about this topic. I know as a mom myself, I'm always kind of wondering, when do I need to get my kids in? And as you said, it's never too early. I'm one of those ones, I'll make an appointment and I can't get in for months. So I'm sure it's good to think about this now.
It is good to think about it now. You know, we see kids very, very frequently during their first 3 years of life, and then we don't see them as much afterwards as they get older until their teen years. And then sometimes parents were scrambling at the end of the summer to try to get that signature on the sports physical form. So it's never too early to call your pediatrician's office and try to get that appointment booked, especially if you're looking for a certain date, a certain time with a certain provider.
So if you go into your doctor, I mean, I can't even keep track of what immunizations my kids need and all of that. By going in yearly, is that going to help me make sure they're getting all those things that they need as they get older?
Yes, absolutely. So when kids come in for physicals, we do it for several reasons. We want to make sure that they're still growing appropriately. We want to make sure that they're on track developmentally, even as they get into those teen years. And then also we do follow a vaccine schedule as recommended by the CDC. Now, as they get into those teen years, other things we think about would be some identifying any risky behaviors they're participating in, and also doing touching base on just their mental health as they're going into the teen years.
Okay, now, am I going to need to worry about a backlog? You know, am I going to be booking months out, or can I get in pretty soon? Like, what does it look like for scheduling?
Yep. Now, if you're wanting, like I said, like a specific time with a specific provider on a certain day, I would call your pediatrician's office as soon as you can. Now, if you're able to go by the seat of your pants and say, yeah, tomorrow at 4 with Courtney, then yeah, we probably have availability for you. Kind of depends on how picky you are with who and when you want to be seen.
If you're somebody new in the Des Moines area and you're looking for a new pediatrician for your doctor, can you go on UnityPoint's website and find different locations for your family?
Yeah, yes, absolutely. So we're located all over the metro. I'm at the Ankeny office. There's actually 2 Ankeny offices. We're downtown, we're in Windsor Heights, we're in Walnut Creek, and we're in West Des Moines.
Now, I know there was a little bit of a slowdown with people getting into the doctor last year when the pandemic first started and everyone was kind of locking down. Have you seen a rebound back with people feeling comfortable enough to getting back to the doctor?
Yeah, we definitely have. At the beginning of the pandemic, we weren't really sure about the transmissibility of this virus and what we needed to do to protect all our patients and ourselves. Now, as we've learned more, we do have policies in place that have provided, good safety for everybody that does come into the office. So yes, it is safe to come in. There are different protocols that you might have to follow if you haven't been seen in the past year and a half. But yes, it's safe to come see us.
All right. So my takeaway on this is it gets really busy getting close to the school year. So
it does.
For you guys. So plan now.
It's planned now. Yep. We refer to our summer as physical season. So we are busy with physicals, and it's never too early to get that scheduled.
All right. You need to get all those things taken care of. Make sure your kiddos are growing as they should. Well, thank you so much, Courtney, for talking with us. And if you'd like more information, of course, you can visit UnityPoint's website. We'll have some information on our website at WHO13.com with Hello Iowa on how you can get in touch with all of the doctors and nurse practitioners over at UnityPoint. So nice to talk with you this morning, Courtney.
Yeah,
thank
it's nice
to
talk to you too.
Us. Now that website is unitypoint.org, and you can also follow UnityPoint on Facebook. All that information is right there on the screen for you. Well, coming up next, what do these farm animals have in common with the lavender crop that they're surrounding and the interesting business behind this new farm?